friends, today we are going to make vada pav. Vada pav is a Maharashtrian dish and it's very famous in Mumbai as a street food. But you can also have it as a snack or as a proper meal in breakfast or lunch or a midnight snack. For that we need coriander chutney, gunpowder, garlic chutney, vadas and pav. First I am going to start by preparing gunpowder. I will be roasting the ingredients in a kadai. You can also use a pan. For this you will need 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 1.5 tablespoon chana dal, 1.5 tablespoon grated coconut, 1 tablespoon urad dal, 1 tablespoon uncooked rice, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 6 to 7 dried red chilies and 10-15 curry leaves. I will roast this till it is slightly brown and you can smell the fragrant aroma coming from it. Then add 1 teaspoon salt. At this time, I will switch off the flame and transfer the mixture to a plate to cool down before grinding it to a powder. Meanwhile, it cools, I will prepare the garlic chutney. 10-15 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons roasted peanuts, 1 tablespoon coconut powder, 5 green chilies and 2 dried red chilies, salt as per taste. I have added about half teaspoon and a little water to get a smooth paste. The gunpowder has now cooled down. So let us grind this to a powder. Now here it's ready. Oh wow, the aroma is so nice that I cannot wait to eat it. Gunpowder can be used with many other dishes as well, like on the top of idlis and dosas, or just simply mix it with a little ghee and rice. Now we will prepare the green coriander chutney. You will need 1 bunch coriander leaves plus stems, 2 green chilies, 3 cloves garlic, 1 raw mango, 1 tablespoon mango powder, 1 tablespoon roasted cumin powder, salt as per taste, approximately 1 teaspoon. Many people often discard the stems, but you should really use it as it holds a lot of flavor and throwing it would just be a waste. Now we will add water to grind chutney to a smooth paste. Now transfer it to a container. Here all my chutneys are ready. Now the chutneys are ready, let us start making stuffing for vadas. Add 1/4 cup of oil. Let it heat for some time. Now add cumin seeds, fenugreek powder, curry leaves, green chilies, chopped onions, and saute for about 2-3 minutes or until the onions turn translucent. Once the onions are translucent, add ginger paste, chili flakes, turmeric powder, coriander powder. Now mix all the masalas together and stir. By the time masalas are getting done, I have taken 5 medium potatoes that I will mash with my hands. In the meantime, I will add 1 tablespoon salt, now see, I have 5 medium-sized potatoes that I have mashed with my hands, and I'll put it in the wok. And the potatoes are mashed. I had taken 5 medium potatoes. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon mango powder and coriander leaves for flavor. Now this is ready for stuffing. Now I will make the balls of these potatoes, and this is enough to make 15 to 20 balls. Now let's make batter for the vadas. For that I have taken 1 cup of besan, gram flour. In that I have added 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon salt, little coriander leaves and little onion cut to small pieces. Now I will make a thick batter of this gram flour. First I will add little water. I need the consistency to be like this, so that it sticks to the vada balls. This I will put a little batter in this, and you can see the batter has come up very fast. It means the oil is already heated. Now I will roll these vadas in gram flour batter. See, like this, and now you can see the vadas are already done. They are brown in color. So I will let them fry for a little more time, so that the color is little darker. Now you see, vadas are ready. Everything is done. Let us toast the pav. For that, keep the gas at medium at the high flame. Let the pan heat up. Once the pan is heated, I'll put little butter on the pan and then toast the pav. I am using a lot of butter because it gives it a very buttery taste, and I like that taste. If you don't like butter, then you can toast it without butter or less butter, as you like it. Now you can see it has toasted and it has a lot of butter. Now everything is ready. Let us assemble the pav vada. First of all, I'll put tomato sauce. After that, add garlic chutney. For a change, you can put dill pickle also on it. After that, you can sprinkle gunpowder, 2 vadas, green chutney, little onion, and if you like, you can put pickle, green chili also. Here you go. Your yummy street style vadas are ready. You can enjoy this with a hot cup of masala chai as well. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified of any new posts through this channel. Do let me know in the comment down below how this turned out for you and what exciting combinations did you try this with. Thank you.